Hey everyone, I got my Scentsy Whiff box. Let's see what's in it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Michelle. Very nice to meet you. And if you guys are coming back, hey, what's up? So this look right here was for my Beetlejuice look, which should be posted yesterday, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that video. Also check out some of my 31 days of Halloween horror looks that I've done and some of my unboxings and stuff. So I'll link up on the top some videos for you guys to go check out, so I would appreciate it if you show them love. But today we're going to get into my Scentsy Whiff box. So I just got it in. I said, you know what, I have to do this video. So it is a $30 a month subscription. It is by Scentsy, and so you get different types of products that they have. They have room deodorizers, they have cleaning stuff, they have bath products, they have the scented wax, they have the little fans that you could plug into your computer, which I'm waiting to get that one, so I'm really interested in that one. So I could bring to my work too, and I could have scents, and it's a USB port, so when I get that haul in, I will go ahead and open up that for you guys. So as we get into the box, there is a little card right over here. It tells you some information about the Whiff box, and then in the front here, let's see, I need my glasses because, you know, guys, I'm blind as a bat. Use this page to create a gratitude list. So they have a little thing right there. So in the box itself, you get, I think, about 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I believe about 5 products, and you get different things, new scents that come in. You'll get a go ahead and get to try it. I do have a code down below in the description if you want to go ahead and check out Scentsy. Go ahead. I don't make any commission off of it. I do get like points and stuff, so I can get other products. So if you guys are a Scentsy user, or if you're interested, definitely go ahead and use my code. I would appreciate it. Also, give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and smash that subscribe button, you guys, because it is all free. So let's see what we got in the box. So I got these Scentsys. This is a Sips of Cider, and so let's see. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, it's got a fruity scent to it, but it's really good. So these are little blocks, and so what you'll do is that you'll kind of like, oh my gosh, I got no strength right now. So you kind of like break them up like I just did right now, and then you just take out the pieces and you put them in your warmer. So they have beautiful warmers, you guys. I don't have any of them yet, but that's what's going to be in my other haul. So I got a second scent, and this is Maple Rum Cake. Let's see what this one smells like. It has like a cinnamon scent to it. A lot of cinnamon. That's mostly what I smell in this one. Even though it's maple rum cake, I smell more cinnamon in it. Alright, we got a third one, and this one is cinnamon butterscotch. Okay. Oh, my lights are so bright. Sorry, you guys. This one more smells like what the rum cake should smell like. I don't smell any cinnamon. I smell that butterscotch. That's what it is. It's a cinnamon butterscotch, but I smell more butterscotch than anything else. Woohoo! I got something new, you guys. Alright. So the next item I got, this is a counter clean. Ooh. So they do have cleaning products, which are supposed to smell really, really nice and clean up really good. Let me see if I can open this bad boy up for you guys, so I can at least whiff it and see what it smells like. Right, they wrap this sucker good. I guess that is a really, really good thing, because you do not want it to spill while it comes to you, so that is a good thing, you guys. So there is a little sprayer. Let me see. There's a safety cap on there, so they do not want this thing to spill at all. I appreciate that very much. Not at this final moment, because I'm trying to open it. Oh gosh. Oh, it's a nice scent, you guys. Oh, that's going to smell beautiful in my bathroom. So this is, sorry, this is a counter cleaner. So it'll smell really, really good. And it's an apple cinnamon spice. So I'm really excited to get a cleaning product from it. Alright, so we've got, ooh, we've got more stuff in here. I'm so excited. Alright, so this is a scent pack. This is a Farmstead pumpkin. Oh my gosh, I haven't tried any of these. I'm so excited. It's like Christmas, you guys, for me. Gosh, come on, let me open it up. Oh yeah, it smells like definitely pumpkin spice. So there's some beads that are in here in this little sack itself. So yeah, it's definitely a pumpkin spice. I'll probably put that in my kitchen. And then I got another one that is a Scentsy. This is a scent circle. These are really, really good. I had these in my car. And so this one is a clove and cinnamon. I don't want to open this one up yet, because I'll probably put that in my car. So they do give you a sample of a new scent, and this is Sweet Orange Evergreen. Oh my gosh, a bunch of good goodies. Oh, that smells. Oh, that smells so good. You smell that evergreen to it, but it has that orange to it. Oh my gosh, that is a beautiful scent, you guys. If it's not too sweet, it's just like a nice, clean, fresh scent. So definitely try this out if you guys get the Scentsy. And last but not least, I'm so excited. This is a Scentsy Buddy Clip, and this is the child. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, look how cute he is coming at him. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And so the way that these work, there's supposed to be able to put the scents in them, and this one has the scents already in it. So there's beads and stuff in here, so you could smell. I'm smelling his butt. I know. So this you hang up like you would. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I'm loving the scent. So does it say Air of Adventure? It's scented. So I don't know what the scent is, but oh my gosh. So you can hang this up. You can put it in a kid's room. And this way it will smell up everything. But oh, isn't he so cute? I love it. Oh gosh. It smells so good. So I'm going to pop him back up. Oh, I got to hide you again. Back in his little jar. so that this way I keep him somewhere. So I'm really excited, you guys. So I got this one, which is a Scentsy Buddy Clip, and so I got the child. I got a counter cleaner, you guys, which smells wonderful. I can't wait to go and play with them. And then I got the 3 scents right here. I got the cinnamon butterscotch. I got the maple rum cake. I also got the sips of cider. I got a pumpkin spice, pumpkin um, scent pack, which, oh my gosh, it smells so much like pumpkin. It's okay, not my favorite scent, but that's why you get packages like this so you could try different ones. Get outside of your comfort zone with some of the scents. Some you're gonna like, some you're gonna find that are just so, oh my gosh, this one is so good. And this is the sweet orange and evergreen. Oh, I gotta get a big one of this one, you guys. So just great ways. Oh, and I got my scent circle, which I really do like putting this in my car. Now you got to remember, depending on how hot it is, like here in Texas it's been really hot, it doesn't last, you know, forever, but they're really inexpensive and they always have them on sale. So you go to their clearance section, they have some wonderful sales, you guys. So make sure you, if you go ahead and buy, do me a favor and use my little code that I have down below. And then this way, again, I don't make any money off of it. All it does, it helps me get some points so I could get some free stuff. So I would appreciate it. But they do have a really good clearance section, you guys. They have some beautiful wall warmers, and they have plug-in ones. They have fans that you put near your computer, USB port, and so they have so many interesting products at Scentsy. I've been thinking about going ahead and selling it, but I don't know yet. You guys let me down below if you guys are interested in me selling Scentsy and see some of the new products that they get every single month. Comment down below and let me know, you guys. But this was my Scentsy Whiff box for October. I am so excited about everything that I got. I can't wait to put some of those wonderful scents in the warmers that I do have. Again, I'm going to be doing an extra shopping haul from them coming soon, and there I will get the fan one and some other different products that I haven't seen here. But I do love this box because it gives you a chance to try out different products from them. You don't know what you're going to get. This is my second box from them, and I'm not disappointed. I'm really excited about it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys are enjoying my 31 Days of Horror series. There are some new looks coming up at the last of the series because we only got about another, what, 2 more weeks before Halloween comes. So I'm excited about getting some more looks out for you. Make sure you go ahead and checking out the previous videos, and then go ahead and check out my last Scentsy box that I got, so you see what kind of goodies I've gotten in that one. So I hope you guys have a wonderful, fabulous day. Stay safe out there and have a spectacular day, you guys. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Bye, everybody.